Now that we have successfully signed up onto Whautomate platform, let's look at how to invite other team members onto the platform. Navigate to the team members menu option and click on add team member. Here you can fill in the form and invite your team member. I'm just going to fill in the details. Let's take a minute to understand different access roles within Whautomate platform. The highest privilege one could have is the owner. They are the people that own the account and they can manage the subscription or the license within Whautomate platform. And the next highest privilege is administrator. They could pretty much perform every single action within the platform and also invite other users onto the platform. The next higher role is staff or practitioner. These are people that actually offer appointments or classes depending on your business within the platform. And we also have receptionist. These are people that can pretty much perform most of the actions except for adding client related functions which only a staff or practitioner could do. The last role is scheduler role. These are people with the least privileges and pretty much their actions could be limited to appointments and classes within the platform. For this demo user, I'm going to assign staff or practitioner. And as you can see here, we've got a couple of other options. Internal staff and not available for consultation. These are people could be administrators or owners who are not offering any appointments or classes. You could mark them using this flag. And no application access is sometimes you don't want to give access to your staffs onto the platform. If you wish to do so, they wouldn't be able to access the platform, but they will still receive all the appointment notifications and other notifications that they need to receive. I'm not going to use these two options. And the last option that we've got is locations. If you're a business with multiple branches, then you can choose to give access to specific location to specific users as such, and they will only see when they log in, they will only see that locations that they have access to. So I'm just going to select this one and I'm going to save. Yeah. Now the user is invited. They would have received an email invitation to sign up into the platform. Now your staff that you sent the invite to would have received an email something similar to this one with an activate button. They can click on this button to activate their user account. Okay, I've clicked on the activate link and it's asking me to enter the password, and I'm going to enter secure password. Okay, now that I've set the password, I can log in to see whether I have access to the platform. Okay, I'm able to successfully log into the platform and access the platform as well. Follow this tutorial series to understand other parts of Whautomate platform. Thank you.